Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video, and this one, it's the multi-channel monthly collab that I normally do, and this one is called the Galaxy makeup look. For my look, I'm going to be doing this one right here, so let's get into the video. So first step is I'm gonna put my eyeshadow primer. It's from Ulta. I've had this for the longest time. So we're gonna be putting this on. Hopefully I have more. It's almost done. Okay. I don't know why it's so hard to put on. Or not put on, but squeeze on. I can't talk right now, guys. I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl shit.
I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl shit.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Whack hoes hate under my pictures on the gram.
Oh my god. Just put in the TikTok. Oh my god. Okay. My palette, and in the colors it's going to be, so I'm going to be using the purple and blue right here of the palette. Okay, I swear it always I can't, guys, maybe I'm just not using the right eyeshadow.
My way, bitch, get out my way. Gotta get.
Okay, I think I'm good. Oh my god.
Get away. Don't get.
Oh my god. Okay. I think we're good like that. Oh my god. I should have. Okay, it's fine. I'm thinking I should have just used the lighter blue, but that's okay. Alright. Alright, as you can tell, we're redoing this with a little bit brighter colors, except for the purple. The purple is fine. And I'm going to be using a different brush. So, here is the brush we're going to be using. Let me just get out of this. Get out. Okay, there. It's out. Okay, so we're going to be using this a little bit thinner brush. And we're going to be using this purple with this lighter blue. Alright.
Yeah, pass this on an acid trip. Get the fuck away from here. Get the fuck away from here. Get the fuck away from here. Get the fuck out of my mind before you disappear.
Okay, I think that's better. Alright. Now let's do light blue on the other side.
Gotta get away. Don't get in my way. Got cars and swiping bills to pay. Far out.
Why? I swear. Hold on. I'm gonna redo this triangle thing. Okay. It's always my right one. Okay. We're gonna do this. We are going to do this. We got this. There we go. Yes. Okay. Yay, we got it. Okay. Woo! Alright. Now, we are going to do the eyeliner part. They have 3 stars on the top and 1 on the bottom. And they have a line. Okay. They got a line right there. Okay, I'm not the greatest with stars, but I'm just going to.
Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark.
Oh my god, I'm just gonna do 2. Because I have really small eyes, apparently.
It wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but
well, I fit 3 in that one. Okay, that's not the best. Oh my god, okay. I know it's not the best, but I tried because it was pretty hard. But that's my final look. I'm not going to do a close-up because I feel really insecure of how I did it. So, that is my galaxy look. Here's the picture so you can see how the actual picture looks. The stars are pretty hard to do. I can tell you that. Like, dang. I would need like some practice for the stars, but that's okay. You know, one time thing, one time try, it's fine. We Gucci. Alright. I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below any makeup looks you guys want me to do or any video ideas you guys want me to do. Oh my god, this is so bad. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will see you all in the next video. So, peace out, babies.